Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this zoom animation in a Canva in a few easy steps. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. But before I started, I just have to mention why I created this video. Was a comment under one of my short video when I showed this zoom animation, and was mentioned this zoom animation was not working for that person. So I tried to create a longer one, and I know time to time those short videos are a bit too fast, and maybe the most important part is just a bit hidden or too fast to understand what is happening. So now I'm doing it in a full length tutorial step by step. So I already inserted the same image. As you can see, this is a video Canva. This is important to have this video canvas because other than is not really working. So I inserted once and right click, duplicate page, and duplicate page again. I will do it with more or less the same. So I have a same setup now ready. So I'm going to hovering my mouse between the two pages. Actually, not important between which two pages because there is a function to copy everything. So going to the match and move and increase the duration to 1.5, scrolling down, apply between all pages. So this is what I said was not important where we are doing it. And the length is 4 seconds, and I would like to have at 3 seconds maximum, and apply to all pages. So actually this is the length of the page. As you can see here, and maybe this one even to 2 seconds. If it's, maybe it's not even let us because 2 seconds is already not enough. So to try with 2.5. Okay, or just I just forgot to. No. Okay, that was 2. Yeah, even with 2 is working. Okay, so I just forgot to hit the enter. So and we can do the same as here in the last one. 2, but actually this is a length of the page. So if I start now, you will see actually nothing because even I use the match and move, the thing is not working because of we don't do anything. So I click on the second page. I just change the zoom level a bit and try to zoom in the image like to here. And going to the third page, but with a different zoom level like this. And now let's see what is happening. Or if we would have to add one more, like a duplicate, this is not good. Okay, duplicate this page, and this will be 3 seconds, and this should be, no, I made something wrong. I forgot to, with this. So that's supposed to be move it to 4. This one also move it to 4. 5 not important at the moment, so I need 1.5 as a duration. So this one is 3 seconds. So this one is also supposed to be 3, and this one's supposed to be 2. Okay, so here zoom a bit to here. like this. So let's see now. Zoom into the right, move into the middle, and zoom into the left, and zoom out. Yeah. So actually, this is how it should work. This is a step-by-step tutorial how you can do this zoom animation. Hope so as it helps. Please let me know in a comment section. And as you can see, this is a very nice zoom animation. Really few easy steps in the Canva. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my Canva tutorials. And also, if you struggling anything in the Canva or you have any question about Canva, just let me know in the comment section and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If it's not possible with few words, as you can see, I will create a tutorial video about it and sharing on my channel. Please also check the description of this video where you can find the links for my Facebook page, Instagram page, and TikTok page, where you can find lots of another great Canva tutorial, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts listed in the Facebook page, and of course in the Instagram and TikTok pages you can find short forms of Canva tutorial. As I mentioned already, you can find links in the description. But now, this tutorial is really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.